Complex objects annotation in computer vision can be achieved using different techniques. In this video, we will look at a particular way of annotating objects' parts. It is called splitting. With this approach, we first need to annotate the object, and then, using polygon split mode of a mask tool, create new objects by cutting out sections of our main object. Then, new objects class can be defined. Let's see how that looks in the platform. First off, let's select a tool that works with masks. This can be brush or mask pen tool. Then we need to select our object of interest via the objects list. Now let's select polygon split mode of our tool and make a quick selection of the part we want to cut out. All done. Now this is a separate object and we can change its class to another one. Annotation classes can be created in this drop-down menu or in the project settings. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.